Okay, so indeterminate forms, we have seen that this limit is 1, okay? And we cannot just simply put x equals 0 to this expression, and because sine of 0 is 0 and this is 0, so 0 over 0. This is called an indeterminate form, uh, written like this. Now, the indeterminate form, the limit of an indeterminate form can be any number, or it may not be defined. For example, x over x is an indeterminate form and its limit is 1 at x equals 0. For this one, it is infinity, and for this one, it is 0. So there's a very useful rule which is called L'Hopital's rule, and this rule allows us to compute this indeterminate forms. For example, if you have a function like this, fx over gx, and if both of these limits are 0, or both of them are plus or minus infinity, then what we can do is we can replace this limit by this limit. Okay, so we can replace f by its derivative and g by its derivative.